Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Google Classroom. To know how to fix or how to solve your Google Classroom app, you should just go to settings. Here we click apps, default apps, app settings. After that we'll enter to Google Classroom. Then we click apps, first stop here, we click OK. Then we'll enter to storage. After that we click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can make errors in your app. And in the end you can go to your airplane mode, you can turn on, you can wait 3 seconds and you can turn off your airplane mode again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.